What's up, guys? How are y'all doing? All right, so this lesson right here, we're going to be talking about lesson 3.1, equal sharing and equivalences. So with this lesson right here, we're going to try to draw some pictures to see if we can actually figure out equivalent fractions and equal sharing. So this problem right here says two brothers go to lunch and share three 8-inch pizzas equally. How much pizza does each brother get? You need to be prepared to share a drawing you could use to solve the problem. So I have the screen. I'm going to exit out of it a little bit. We have to draw a picture. All right. So it says in here that I have three 8-inch pizzas. Okay. So I'm going to take my circle and I'm going to draw three 8-inch pizzas. All right. So there's one pizza. There's two pizza, and there's three pizzas. All right, I have how many brothers? Yes, I have two brothers. So with this, I'm going to use a shape. Let's see, we're going to use the rectangle to represent each brother. There's one brother and another brother. All right, so what I have to do, if there's two brothers, I have to see, first off, is there a whole pizza that I can give to each brother? In this case, yes, there is a whole pizza that I can give to each brother. All right, so this could be brother one, and this could be for brother two. All right, now this last pizza, we have to try to equally share that pizza between the two brothers. So what do you think we would do? Well, in this case, we're going to split that pizza right down the middle. And this is going to be for brother one, and this is going to be for brother two. So, how many pizzas did each brother get? Well, brother one got one whole pizza, and then half of this one. So 1/2, because there's two pizzas here, and he got one of those pieces. Brother two, he got one whole pizza over here, and then half of another one, which is this one. So you see that brother one, brother one and brother two both got how much pizza? They got one whole and a half of the last one. All right, so you might be asking yourself, well, Mr. Collins, that seems pretty easy enough, but how can I do it another way? Well, what I could do, I'm going to take my picture right here and I'm going to put it right there. All right, I'm going to figure this out another way. Again, I'm going to have my circles. I'm going to copy that, put that over here, put that over here, because I still have those three pizzas. Okay, they haven't changed size or anything. And I still have two brothers. So I have this, copy. We're going to paste that over here. We're going to paste this one over here. And I have to try to figure out another way of how I could break this up evenly so that each brother gets the same amount. Well, if I were to split these into half into two pieces for each, let's see what happens. Take my marker and split all three of these into halves so that brother one, brother two, brother one, brother two, brother one, brother two. Okay, so I'm going to put a 1 here and a 2. I'm going to put a 1 here and a 2. I'm going to put a 1 here and a 2. Now, I broke these circles into what? Well, I broke them into halves. So I have 1 and then I have 1 over here. So that's half of the pizza. It's like saying if we had $1, what's half of $1? Well, it's 50 cents. Okay, so I just cut that pizza right down the middle and I got half of each one. All right. So this first brother is going to get 1, 2, 3 out of those halves. So this brother over here is going to get 3 out of those halves. All right. So these are broken into halves, and each one got 3 out of 2 pieces.